Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by priming the body and voice. Hydration and posture matter because tissues vibrate more efficiently when well lubricated. Begin gentle 5–10 minute warm-ups, lip trills and sirens to engage breath support without straining. Once done, check alignment. Ribs soft, chin slightly lowered, jaw loose. Make sure to breathe low into the diaphragm. This supplies steady airflow for distortion. Short, controlled breaths work better than force. Practice low hums into a narrow vowel to find a comfortable anchor before adding edge. Now you introduce controlled grit by blending vocal fry with supported vowels. This adds the metal character. Start with 2–3 second fry bursts on a comfortable pitch, then slide into an open vowel like ah while keeping breath steady. Once comfortable, use forward resonance. Aim vibration toward mask, nose, cheekbones to preserve clarity. Make slow pitch shifts and repeat 3–5 times to train coordination. If rasp feels tight, back off volume and focus on airflow, not throat squeezing. That preserves vocal health. Finish by refining dynamics and placement so your metal voice is repeatable. Work soft to loud crescendos over 10–20 seconds while keeping the fry element steady. This trains resilience. Record short takes and compare resonance and clarity. Make micro adjustments to placement or airflow as needed. Once comfortable, practice full phrases with articulation and emotion. If you experience pain or persistent hoarseness, stop immediately and rest for 24–48 hours. If it continues, seek a qualified voice teacher or clinician to prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.